Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect XM to MT5. Let's begin. Okay, so first, make sure you have an account with XM. If you don't, head over to the XM website and sign up. During registration, you'll be asked to select your preferred trading platform. Make sure to choose MT5. This step is crucial because MT4 and MT5 accounts are not interchangeable. Once you've signed up and verified your account, XM will send you a confirmation email with your login credentials. These include your account ID, server details, and password, so keep this information handy. So once you get the application onto your device, you are going to log in with your credentials. So in order to log in, you'll be required to enter your XM account ID provided in the email, and then you're going to have to enter your password and then the server listed in your XM email. Then afterwards, after logging in, check the bottom right corner of the MT5 platform. If you see green and red bars, your account is successfully connected and the platform is receiving data from the server. If the bars are gray or you see a no connection message, double check your server details and internet connection. So once you're connected, it's time to set up your trading environment. Here are a few tips. Add your favorite trading instruments by right-clicking in the Market Watch panel and selecting symbols. And then open charts for specific instruments by dragging them from the Market Watch list, then customize chart settings, indicators, and templates to fit your trading style. Then afterwards, you can start trading. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.